Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I make this ginger juice. So let's get to the list of ingredients. So the first thing we'll be needing is some ginger root, some lime and lemon, some sugar, and some mint leaves. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take off the skin of the ginger. So I'll be using a spoon to peel the skin off. So when that is done, I'm going to set that aside. Moving on, I have a bowl of clean water and I'm going to dip the ginger roots in the clean water. I'll be adding in some vinegar just to rinse it up. So I'll go ahead and rinse it up one by one. So when that is done, I'm going to go ahead and chop the ginger into smaller pieces. That way it's easier for us to blend on our blender. You can also use the grater for this, okay, if you don't have a blender. So I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Now I'm going to add them into my blender, that I'm going to blend it until it's very smooth. I'm going to be adding in a little bit of water to enable it to blend easily. So I'm going to blend this on high until it's very smooth. So now guys, I'm going to show you how I clean my blender. Super easy. So what you're going to do when you're done blending, you're just going to rinse off your blender with some water. So when I'm done rinsing, I'm just going to kind of fill up the blender a little bit. It's not going to be too full, with some hot water. Then I'm going to add in my dish soap. So when that is done, cover your blender and turn it on high. Let it blend for a few seconds. Then pour the water out. Then you're going to rinse it up again. So rinse it until you get rid of the soap and your blender is clean, guys. Especially when you have a Ninja blender. Even if it's not a Ninja blender, blenders were so scared of the blades. So this is super easy for you to clean your blender, this method. So when I'm done cleaning inside, I'm just going to take a sponge to kind of clean around the blender, and I'm done with it. So my blender is clean. I'm going to put it on my plate rack for it to dry up, and you have a clean blender. Same thing you're going to do for the blade. You're just going to rinse it off, okay? So, and that is done, guys. So moving on, I'm going to chop off my mint leaf. You can also pound the mint leaf if you choose to. So I'm just going to chop it up nicely. Then in here I have in boiling water that I'm going to add in some sugar. Then I'm going to stir it until the sugar dissolves completely. Then when that is done, I'm going to pour it right into my blended ginger. Then I'm going to add in some mint leaf. Then we're going to stir it. After that, I have in here my cheesecloth. So I'm just going to sieve it on the cheesecloth, okay? Then I'm going to be adding in some lemon juice and some lime juice just for that nice taste. So I'm going to stir it, and our ginger juice is ready. So we can store this in a container or in a glass jar. So what I do is that I also freeze mine also for later. So the ginger juice is ready, guys. So you can have this cold or you can have it warm. So it's super healthy and it's delicious. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Rolinda TV. Thank you.